Hey guys, just thought I'd share this huge tomato plant of mine I've got and share how it got like this. So that's it there. Still got some green tomatoes at the top. These ones are ripe and it's kind of spread out. My shoe in the picture. So it's quite a big one. One of the biggest tomato plants I've ever seen. And it sprung out as a little seedling. You can see it in here from the bottom of this compost bin. So I just left it. And it's done really well, and I've got a lot of it. So I just thought I'd share that. Thanks for watching.